Hey guys, you must have seen many popular content creators on YouTube making their thumbnails like this and this. If you're somebody that's new on YouTube and don't have a bunch of money to blow on your thumbnails but still want your thumbnails to look great, or if you're somebody that's camera shy but still want your face to be out there, you're at the right place, bro. Because today I'm gonna show you how I make my thumbnails look attractive with the help of an AI app and Photoshop. And trust me when I say, your face can be the greatest asset in growing as a content creator. So follow me along the video on how I make these thumbnails from scratch. So the first thing that we need is this app called Photolab, which is available on the App Store on iOS as well as the Google Play Store on Android. Once you've installed the app, tap on Look Lab at the bottom of your screen, and all you need is to upload a selfie and the app will do its magic. And there are many themes to pick from. I picked the 90s photoshoot theme because that's what appealed to me, I guess, and that's about it. The app just instantly gave me a bunch of good looking AI models with my face on them, which are ready to be used in Photoshop for me to work further on my thumbnails. Save whichever picture that looks the best to you so we can work on it further later on. There is also an unbelievably cool feature in this app where you can change the gender of your model as well as their hairstyle and the hair color, which I think is absolutely nuts that they're giving all of these features to us for free. Like, bro, what? Okay, editing time. So I already have these AI models that I made from the app. Now we're gonna import it into Photoshop. So I have my canvas, which is 1920 into 1080, which is the ideal size basically people go for, alright? And I think we're gonna go with this guy. Alright, import it, select subject, Ctrl J to duplicate layer, and we have a cutout already. I'll just quickly fix his hair a little bit. Right. I think this is a good enough size for his face. Bro is so handsome though. Alright, so we're gonna make a thumbnail for Marvel Rivals. Go to Google and search wallpaper. Then we need a background first. I would like something which has a scenery. Pretty cool, huh? Just gonna save this here, import it. It's like Venom is on the right and my dude is on the left, so it works out. Right, subject. Quickly grab the quick selection tool and I'll just remove this extra selection. We need the hand. Venom. I think Venom is so cool. Make the selection as smooth as possible. Then always keep in mind to not clutter your thumbnails a lot, because otherwise it just, loses its charm or something. Like this scenery, maybe we can use it. Import it. Yep. Now I'm gonna blur the background a bit. Right, so our characters are in focus. I will name this layer dude. Drop shadow. Copy effect, copy layer style, paste layer style. There we go. Looks good. I think dude should be on top. Oh. No, that's not what I meant. I think no one should be at the top. Anyway, I should be at the top, like, the top of YouTube. What? Anyway, so now we need Marvel fonts. Okay, so I have an idea. Since this is a problem to us, how about we just get Venom in PNG. Guys, I'm literally just freestyling my shit right now, so don't mind me. Yes, we found it. Yep, bring this layer to the top, select subject. Yep, I think I'll make it grow a little bit, modify, expand 2 pixels, let's go, done. Ctrl J for a duplicate and delete the background layer. We're gonna size it up, hold Alt to make it grow equally from both sides, and we got him in the same pose. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Copy layer style, paste layer style, let's go. Dude is on the forefront. Yeah, that's the better word. Foreground. Anyway, we need the font now. I think pick a font, bro. Just do it. I'm gonna go with these. I think this one. Install the font. Install button is right here. Black Widow. Yes. I'm gonna make it the same yellow, I guess. It's a great color. Got it. And then size it up. Drop shadow. Size small. Sorry, spread small. Oh wait. We need the black. It's like this, right? This font is perfect. Also guys, just to say, nothing is sponsored in this video, so don't take it that I'm promoting anything, or I'm just making a random thumbnail for myself, which I'll be using in my stream, right? I think this is fine. Size it down so it looks okay. I think I'll make this one white. Center is cool. I don't know, man. I'm just freestyling this shit. Should I keep it here? Oh yeah. Then we need the logo. Import it. That's it. Paste layer style and change the color of the shadow. Looks good. This is cool. That's it. There is also one cool trick that you can do with your font is you can add a random texture to it, so it looks like download a texture. I'll just chinky. I'm just gonna take a random picture, copy image, paste, and then press Alt on your keyboard and click between the layers. It'll make a mask within the font. Size it up, size it up. You could random gradient, but some random gradient is showing. Okay, and then I'm gonna. That's it. I think it's pretty cool one. If you wanna do something else, you can totally feel free to do it. Increase the opacity, decrease it, whatever you want. I think it's a pretty easy one as well. One more thing that you can do is group these two, add a drop shadow altogether. Add a softer drop shadow. This was such a simple thing to do. You know what? To add the final touch to it, I would like to add a photo filter on this, so it will just bring it all together, right? Maybe add some catchphrases to it and make it interesting so people can click on it. And make sure your face, the face of the model is proportionate or bigger basically than the game that you're playing, but add a little bit of the game as well, so it gives the viewer an idea of what's going on in the live stream or the video or whatever that you're making. Yeah, and that's about it. It's not the best work in my opinion, but I think it's a decent one and you all can learn from it, expand on it maybe. And yeah, it ain't much, but it's honest work. So I think yeah, the possibilities are endless with AI. And next time I'm gonna show you how to swap your own face onto any character that you can think of. Some examples are this and this, and you can totally do this under 5 minutes. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see something like that. And for now, like the video if you enjoyed this one, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one.